Hello YouTube, welcome to another episode of Trains At. Today we are at Whisby. Well, it would be Whisby Foot Crossing. That's all that's left of it down there. But no, this is Whisby. Yes, I haven't been here for ages. At least a few months. Anyway, we're here to get this afternoon's dinner rush. It's Saturday, the 4th of July. And yeah, happy 4th of July to all my American followers. Let's see what turns up. Here's something. It is a $158 $864 on your 2 Lima 65 12:15 is the train service from Leicester to Lincoln Central. Here comes 2 Tango 31 from Newark Northgate to Lincoln Central for 12:23. Probably a 153. Is it a dog box? Dog box? Dog box? Any dog box? Here we go. 153. It's BG 153379. 153379 bound for Lincoln. It would have been bound to Grimsby, but there's a derailed train in that area. 153384. 153384 on your 2 Tango 40 from Lincoln Central to Newark Northgate. Here comes 2 Lima 64, your 1240 from Lincoln Central to Leicester. $158,864. $158,864 to Leicester. And I'd like to thank you guys watching this episode of Trains At. Yes, it's a short one, but it's all very well planned. So I hope to see you next week for the next episode of Trains At.